Welcome to our kitchen. Today we prepare a medieval chicken stew from Anonimo Veneziano's Libro di Cucina, written in the 14th century. We start with the ingredients. We need a chicken, lard, dates, verjuice, almonds, ginger and saffron. We grind the almonds, dilute them with verjuice and strain the almond milk. Then we steep the saffron in warm water, mince the ginger and cut the chicken into pieces. Verjuice is the juice of unripe grapes, used in recipes as an acidifier that is intermediate between vinegar and wine. You can replace it with vinegar, unripe grapes, lemon or orange juice, or also the juice of green sorrel, which are typical substitutes of verjuice in medieval recipes, as we learn from sources such as Maenus de Maenaris Opusculum de Saporibus. If you choose these options, we recommend making almond milk with water and adding the acidic juices in moderation. Both fresh and dried ginger were available in 14th century Italy, so you can use the one you prefer. We recommend fresh ginger for its intense and delicious aroma, though dried ginger would also work well in this preparation. We melt the lard and saute the chicken. Then, after removing the excess lard if there is too much, we add the almond milk, saffron, minced ginger, dates cut into 2 or 4 parts, and 2 pinches of salt. We cooked the chicken for about an hour, but it can take more or less depending on the chicken and your personal preference. Anonimo Veneziano's Libro di Cucina is a beautiful collection of 135 recipes, written in 14th century Venetian vernacular. The book is essentially an encyclopedia of medieval cuisine, organized into a loose alphabetical order, containing recipes for all types of dishes, including pasta, bread, meat, fish, fritters and pies. Many dishes are very easy to recreate, although meant for rich banquets, which makes this book an excellent starting point for learning how to prepare medieval dishes. Our translation comes with an extensive introduction to medieval food, ingredients, preparations, and historical context, as well as with a glossary of the anonymous author's colorful language. To learn more about meat preparations between the antiquity and the end of the Renaissance, check out our book Early Italian Recipes, Meat, Meatballs and Sausages. On our Patreon page you'll find additional translations of primary sources, including Maenus de Maenaris Opusculum de Saporibus, and several articles on historical food. All the links are in the description below, along with the links to buy us a beer and purchase our merchandise to support our work. This chicken stew was amazing and very easy to make, with a flavor slightly sweet and sour, thanks to the combination of dates and verjuice, enhanced by the aromatic and spicy aroma of fresh ginger. Despite its apparent simplicity, this refined dish is perfect for a medieval banquet or any special dinner, thanks to its few well-selected ingredients. We paired the stew with armored turnip and pizza sfogliata. You'll find all the links in the description below. If you're interested in ancient foods and flavors, subscribe our channel and consider supporting us on Patreon.